Okay, it's the first day of spring, and that means I get to combine two of my favorite things, cleaning and financial stuff. Financial spring cleaning. Here's the deal. You've just gone through tax season. You've gone through all of your records. There's some things you can do very efficiently. First of all, have you gone back and made sure you've got all of your tax records set up? You got to keep them for 7 years. That means the returns as well as the backup documentation. That's because the IRS has up to 7 years to audit you. I know, pain in the neck. Maybe you can keep it PDF form. Maybe you can have scanned versions. Maybe you can have an external hard drive, but you got to keep it. You know some other stuff you got to keep? You've got to keep forever. Birth certificates, death certificates, marriage licenses, divorce decrees, they're good to keep, social security cards. Keep those things in maybe a fireproof box, a safe deposit box, on the cloud, again, external hard drive. I don't care where, you got to keep them forever. Want to know what you can get rid of? Lots of stuff. Utility bills and credit card bills. After 30 or 45 days, get rid of them, chuck them, shred them. Bank statements after a year, investment statements after a year, get rid of them unless you've bought something and you need that for tax purposes. When it comes to your bank statements, one big caveat, and that is if you're going to apply for Medicaid anytime in the future, or maybe someone in your family is thinking about it, some states actually require 5 years of bank statements. So just keep that in mind. Clean up your files, get your financial life in order, and then you can enjoy the springtime whenever it may come. In New York, it's going to come, it sounds like, in maybe July. Thanks for watching, and you can go to JillOnMoney.com to check out what you can shred and what you need to keep. See you next time.